Hey, what's up, guys? rayBar checking in. It has been a brutal start to March. As you guys see, we're down about $6,000 in the portfolio. Pretty far down from the peak at around 62, at about 52, about $10,000 down. But you know what, guys? It's a buying opportunity, in my opinion. I think that, even though we have the tariff wars going on, the kind of crazy episode between Trump and Zelensky, overall, I think that, in the long run, we're going to keep winning here. So I'm going to continue to buy in my daily buys and the stocks that you're seeing here. Snap is one of those stocks that I don't really care about, but I was in through my options play. I'm bag holding a little bit, down 14%, but I'm continuing to sell options here if you've noticed. So let's go down here. The premiums haven't been quite as good, about $1 or $2, but previously it was 81 for, $2 and then 66. So I made some decent money on my options here. So overall, net, I'm probably up. I'd have to check my spreadsheet to confirm with you guys, but there again, I'm still just selling options there. Added MasterCard to the portfolio. I think honestly, Visa, MasterCard, you're basically kind of stuck with using either one of them unless you're one of those American Express folks. But either which way, I think it's a good buy. We're continuing down on our, daily buys here. I reduced it down to about $20 a day, mainly because I want to shore up my cash position. And now that I deposited the extra money, I'm making about 4.5% Robinhood Gold for 60 days. So I think it's, right now, with the uncertainty, definitely still buying opportunities, but make sure you have some cash on the sidelines because it still could fall further. And, I think, again, there, you can kind of back up the truck if it drops a little bit further here. Exciting news here, guys. I got $8,000 in the Roth IRA. It's a little bit kind of neglected, I guess, in the videos. But if you notice here, I have your rollover is in progress. So I would click on the details, but it shares kind of more detailed information about my account and then my previous employer. So I'm not going to show that yet, but I'm in the process of using Capitalize to roll my old 401k into a Robinhood traditional IRA. So then, in my portfolio, I'll have a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA. The good thing about rolling over into my Roth right now, though, is as you guys see here, I'll get a 2% IRA transfer boost. So I think that will be pretty exciting with my overall balance, and I will show you guys where we are there. If you guys are Robinhood Gold members here, they are giving away 1,000 gold bars, 1 kilo, and then I think 99 2.5 grams, which honestly is a pretty good deal, especially if all you gotta do is make deposits to get entries. I deposited about I think $90 or $150, something like that. I got about 141 entries. So if you are a Robinhood Gold member, be sure that you are, utilizing these things because at the end of the day, it's potential to get free money and giveaways. So that's just kind of what I wanted to get. It's a quick update with you guys, but overall, nothing too crazy this week. Just continue to buy, even with all the market uncertainty. And I think overall, like I said, we are long-term investors. We are not traders, and we are not swing traders, especially, right? We're not just getting in, getting out just to buy stuff. We are here for the long run, and, hopefully you guys are liking the content. Again, I'm trying to be more regular. This will be my third or I think fourth video of the year, but I'm going to try and post more regularly. I am pretty close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys don't mind, smash that like button, comment if you care to, and then, subscribe to the channel. Help me, potentially get monetized. I have some big things coming up soon, guys. I'm looking at potentially getting some equipment and then making more, interactive videos where I'm on camera and doing things like that. I will say, if you look at my channel, all my shorts, I do buy gold and silver as well. I have been buying additional gold recently, and I'm looking at potentially selling a lot of my silver to buy more gold. But if you care about over there, guys, there's more to come on the shorts here soon. But again, appreciate you guys, love you guys, and I will see you maybe next week. Bye.